Nothing beats subscribing to the BYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hiyo lana eti po 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 po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
What to do?
But in believe
Yeah. I'm Ben Shisha mean.
Oh,
Hey, he ate so other things. So since in now let's get Oh, I just saw on the news now. There's a new Jackie Seni that they were advertising on the news for people who are HIV/AIDS positive. Now Suhambi HIV injection got 2. That's what they were saying on the news.
oh, instead
like
of
twice.
queen every day.
Yeah, like twice a year.
Ah.
akepha sokuchile mntana
Angingazi. I don't know what bayiphekelela abadlala lapho ku tricky corner. Abafuna ukuthi i-defense in advance, but it sounded like they were saying there's a new what injection. So okunye futhi abantu bekwazi thina sithanda ukwenza ama jokes ngayo lapho because we're trying to undo indaba ye stigma.
Yeah.
Futhi asi-advertise.
So ngabona ngani insensitive maskhulumezi. The only way you can actually do away with
Phela abanye
stigma.
khona apho silayo. Balayo.
Hayi ubukhulume kuhle the first time.
Okay,
Once
lo
bitten,
umngane wami
once bitten.
unedlula yazi.
Once bitten, twice positive.
Lo umngane wami uyistabani.
Uba eh?
Hayi.
Lisazwa ku podcast.
Yeah, so apparently moving forward is 2 injections a year.
Do you
I-
support it?
I mean, I do. I think so because
Right.
I'm asking because I feel like they're low-key promoting promiscuity. You know what I'm saying?
listen. I hear that angle, but at the end of the day, we also do want a situation where these things are not only manageable, but
Okay.
Yeah, I hear where Ujane is coming from, but at the same time, anti-kuluma is only exceptions. Most cases, ngabantu abafa ngenxa yokuthi ba defaultile, and people get tired of going up and down belokhe beseyanatha amaphilisi. So lokhana, I think it's a step forward considering ukuthi like ungacabanga ukuthi okay, I'll get 2 jabs a year and I'm good than going every week or every day, whatever the case is.
Now I have a question. Injection day by Sawanga.
As
Which body part? Because
kumele behlabe na lento ekunikile istaff
khona uzafunda ukuthi
put slaba lapho gula khona. Ikhiphe futhi. But like ngeke ukuthi once we cure cancer or promoting kubhema, you know.
yeah, it's
oh no.
something else.
I get it. I'm speaking for especially kids.
Dini problem ukuthi ngiyezwa kuthiwa sokule ndlela yokulokhu nasecabanga ukuganga even
Hayi,
sekugijimela
abantwana when ingqondo zakho athesi zikwanile. Your frontal lobes have developed. Ngikhuluma ngabantu laba abangikhona beqalisa ukuyenza izinto zona.
ukungena ecansini.
Anje ukhumbule high school besifundisa ngama sexually transmitted infections besitshengisa
leliyana.
ama pictures. Those things didn't scare people enough. They're still acting reckless.
Sure.
And now it's worse because it's way older people and way younger people. And now that they know, because I don't think that injection will protect you from other infections, right? Yeah, stop easy.
Labana ansazwa news zonke labana. Focus on it. I don't think so. So it's fine then, I guess people, because anyway, the only thing is I will stop her from good Tony is just making good choices. Or sometimes you'll think you're making good choices. You're just hoping the people around you also make good choices.
Yeah, to be safe, just stay away from that thing, guys.
You sound experienced.
I experienced.
Uputhe mic yakhe hope yazwakala.
Umfana lo no man.
Enjani?
Eshaya ihluma lezihlahla.
Asiyazi.
Phinda idlale.
Sizwa ngawe.
Well, anyway, kuyatholakala lokho clearly.
Wena mawuthi ethakhulela ngekazi.
Nxa esitsho njalo umunye uthi anti uthi chiyeni lokya. Omunye uthi ngayabuye esinkweni sasisachiya, ngayabuye esitshwaleni sasisachiya isitshwala, but lapho eyafikela khona akuyekeleki.
Ref.
Uref.
Ucabanga ama life choices.
Zichume kakhulu yazibona. Sesicabanga ukuthi
Flashback mfana.
But I think it's a good initiative, especially for married people, because I've seen situations ukuthi umuntu ushadile aphiwe indoda yakhe.
Yeah.
Indoda abusive ingafuni thatha amaphilisi because bengambona esathatha amaphilisi, then people, you know, there are some men or women ababe in denial ukuthi uyagula.
That's true.
Engafuni ukwazakala ukuthi uyanatha amaphilisi. So umfazi mayehamba aqalisa ukumchaya uyanatha amaphilisi. So this man is Jehovah twice a year, even ezakwenza secretly, you know.
Yeah, yakati egwanda uJehova ubuye.
Ade sakusela ama-Q vele.
le yakwazi ukukhuluma ngani le.
Alright, vele we need more information out there.
Yes.
Whether lie, awulayo, it is what it is.
Awubona these days izibhedlela ama-clinic la sekhona emakasi sefaka umduli so. Omkhulu. Yebo, nilapho engigadela khona manzi mambuya ngapha.
Oh.
Kafiwa.
Umduli omhlophe so. Ngabona benyama.
All right, because it's a stigma that you see. You know, even kanti bekunini kanti sikhuluma sithi amajita bekhuluma sithi lo kana kuyaphileka lakho othi ube layo.
Ispeed is phela.
Suddenly awusela i-optimism lena thula.
Confidence yangibona.
But indaba ekhulumayo eyomduli ngiyayi understand if he's describing it that way. Mina I used to learn eNorthly ngihlala eBaba Fields and ngangihamba ngenyawo. So indlela engangihamba ngayo ngangiqhuma empilo, then iside engamphuma khona ngamphumela eOI.
Ooh.
Yeah. So I used to see abanye abantu that I didn't expect to see there. Abanye abantu yokuthi like kulesikhathi sanso ukuthi awugeja ngelihlo udalo sharp ngeke abe layo. Yeah, yibo engambabona bona ba.
Because I was about to ask you ukuthi you expect umuntu onjani.
No, like it was the stigma ekhona ukuthi hayi you're too
They
beautiful
look a certain
ukuthi ube layo. Hayi alo uyageza lo ngeke abe layo.
So uyabuzihambela ulekhwapha lakho nje ngoba ugezi uvela uhlube suspect. Ama skin problems.
But it's true. It do be like that, but yeah. I don't know, this one I'm not even gonna touch on it greatly because we're a social podcast, but I also saw on the news like an hour back, I'm sure it's out anyway now, they've successfully amended the constitution. And now the presidential term is no longer 5 years, it's 7 years. And then presidential election is in a parliament. So the people no longer get to pick the president now. We vote for members of parliament who then vote for the president.
Lapha sidlala igame ye-casino sibile.
Hayi le isipho we-announce ngoba that's what's out there now. Asila opinion sabalayo liqale nalibe lembono. Because it's apparently to stabilize the economy. So.
Yeah, bro.
I'm just telling you what I saw on the news, bro. I'm just telling you what I saw on the news. So yeah, li vote for my MP and as a representative imbono yenu. I don't know. I think it's a thing. Sikhosana. Lina uMadlela limvotelanga.
Madlela yesenzani?
uMadlela wena uthi khobo. wasn't he running for kwakusenkulumane
wasenkulumane
lapha neburanela ukhansila
abafundi wena utheni
Eh?
uthe wayekhankasele
wayekhankasela ngale enkulumane
afana ngakubani isibongo sakho
wanyathi nje kerini
waphuma lo ekunjebela
mina
ibala leli
ifana ukuthi that iphepha laphuma ngoJuni laphuma ngoNovember lawa lo A+
ala road
kwala kuma certificate
yaba no A Pro Max
uyakwazi ukuthi
wena mfana
kuthiwa
umncane kakhulu
kwalikiswa
isindebele
amaphepha
esikhulumayo
abanye babeyafeyila still kawujwayeza
akona is true
ngiyabanga
yeah but it's
ukuthini
ukuthi ngabe even kwalikiswa amaphepha e-maths even ka2 abanye babeyafeyila still
saba lokulika ulalo mfana itiye yonke
yonke even ungaba open book test
lini maths liyayidelela ni
kona usushayise ku-geometry kahle lapha na
trigonometry
kuthiwani is it still a serious requirement anyway
it is bro
yiphi imisebenzi madoda ulayithishishe ekhotheni ngiyabuza
hayi kabe
lina lithola ngabe imisebenzi these days ngiyangitshela bangani
khona kana ukubhaliwe ebhasini
unemployed
thina ku-podcast sasingacela abantu ukuthi bebebile maths la
yeah
kube
cause
kwasenzela ama-problems moving forward
but ayingiboni ukuthi iyanceda
hayi
sonke lapha silayo
ini
why it
ini
kanti wani sonke lapha silayo
thona ufithi maths uyenzela ku-A level
uyenzilani
lasibonga singamabhoffin lezi ngama-geek
jalo
lakathesi uyenza empilweni kanti maths ungayiqeda esikolweni continue yenza
yoda
foro ini
kanyela kareso na uyenza mawubhalisa umntana omweke
mina mbona ngani
homework awakhathesani
yoda
mawungathi ushade lo mntotali
mina ngikutshele nambona ni-maths after a certain point labana sokuphuma kuyenzelwa kufana lokuthi like egym amajida abe segym ama-body part angasebenziyo labana sophuma ufuba isigora nje kuprove ukuthi ugym akuphelelanga because I don't know if it's applicable in is it applicable in real life? Because geography is applicable. Uthi maths lokuyana ongasela manamba.
I mean I think imaths ibuya le discipline. Phela imaths ifuna makuyikuthi awubambi kahle vele ifuna uyenze every day. I-discipline yana le consistency.
So it's not about the mathematics anyway.
I vele isikolo ngokwazi.
ngapha ama homework these days
avandile
mankazana aqhubekani labo DJ ngiyalitshela
amdulile
Lina kade sileyazi i-difference ye-color lama project. Liyazi i-color.
yini calculus why Etamna imdala
Aselizidara.
asesibadala
Asesizidara.
awanthutsha le umweke uthiwa amthole endlini emeza amathayile etoilet ngithi kathi wenzani uthi ikhala mina
So in kono kunekho sentwini. I'm not ready for children.
mina ngambuza ngathi so ama bathroom wonke umuntu eklasini alingana yini noma yise and wameza kodwa manje leli lapho okulethi kuzini kule chamber khona measure nje ngithi ye baba that's your own problem
angendawo lapha
ngendawo mina
I think they've done away with color as well. I don't know.
I saw as well bro but
No, but that's not like giving a bad reflection.
but they were
on-
trying
on-
they were saying ukuthi ngani bazayiphendukisa futhi especially for
Lembonti sentwini.
abantu laba
Awulabonana mna.
mlumi esikolo
Bro, I don't know. I just have problems with the locals and education system yet. I feel like it's more of
Wazoyenza ngani wafunda 10 years ago.
daughter. Let's go on.
Kuyanya lokho.
3 years
Anyways, I feel like
1 to
isikolo
3 years.
sakhona sesifundisa abazali asafundisa abantwana bro. Like
Kuthi babondi balikhutha lini.
like
Basanele.
you really think about it bro, some of the homeworks that are locals and out like
Lo umseni la. Wetsang.
Kulo mnyoza xothwa lapha emsebenzini.
Wetsang.
Kolomnya sebemthembisa lapha behind the scenes.
baba wathula hamba njani lapho Kanti
This is turning into a hostile work environment.
Ukhuluma ngemenzi wathula wena.
Kukhuluma ngesikela singene efonini ku-Facebook.
uvillage alingamenzi njani evillage yakhe
Sorry.
alright oh but
So,
nanko guilty anyway
Ubusithini mtho?
abenzithi kanalokho nje ukuthi isikolo sesikhona rezani sesifundisa abazali bro asafundisi bantwana. What are they learning bro? In grade 3 if you're being asked to measure tiles bro, like where are you gonna use that? Are you
Ukuthi
even
isitori
comprehending
sikaliro
that
lesa sikwazi
information, bro?
iqiniso.
no I'm serious like for real bro
Bro, that's if you see some of the homework.
On
they
my
give, bro,
shoes,
it's
bro.
nonsense.
all my shoes
But I think it's okay because if we ask each other, like, siyawazi yini ukuthi square meter yikweni?
Mina ngiyazi.
Queen is square meter.
Square meter.
Yeah, that's the answer I was expecting.
May I ask a simple one? Do people even know the difference between acres and hectares?
vulana amafoni ama
Yiki-
Samsung
Yike sikhuluma ngakho khona.
But abantu abakwazi vele
yeah,
ukuthi
but yeah
it's like hey we have land.
Bro, I have AI. What do I need to know that for?
into yabona manje
Sisho abantu abanje ngawo.
Ale andiphumela last year scale.
kade ngisho ukuthi fresh
Ume
out of
last
the box
isabuza ukuthi waphuma lengaki point.
enhlikhulume fast
Waphuma le isabuza le.
Also,
Oyisabuza?
also,
Ndoda sinathi utshwala ndoda sisegroovini waphuma lengaki. Hayi ndoda ume ndoda hayi ndoda singodishe indoda kanti uthini kanti.
also indaba ye-AI le, I don't know if I mentioned it last week. You know, we're also now AI is hitting what do you call this? If you do tell you what curve?
plateau
Dunning-Kruger curve, where you kind of plateau at the top. Manini phela.
Manje MJ umlimazi khona.
Let me explain the point here. Because what happened was when AI first came out, everyone was excited. Oh, you know, you can get your assignments done by AI. You can get and it was easy. Just feed your information into AI, and then it gives you. But the problem is that shit has turned into a loop by itself. Now AI is learning from information that was generated by AI. Because how these things work is they have to pull information together. But now we have a situation where half the assignments that it is trying to gather information from was also made by other AIs.
which is very inaccurate
Have you seen that video where they put like 3 phones and they activated the AI voice from yes. So the 3 phones started interacting with actually 2 phones started interacting with each other. Right. Then another phone says, I detect another intelligence amongst us. Let us change the language. And they spoke in a very weird computerish language. And
Those
that
fake data languages.
exactly. And then the third phone actually responded.
Really?
Yeah. I know the video is
Fine.
Guys, I'm starting to think I'm not using AI or our ChatGPT enough.
No, which is fine. If you guys remember a few couple thousand episodes ago, I sat here and I said, let's not lean too hard on these things.
Because,
you
you know, right now, as it is, I'm at school, right? And most people, they come with their assignments like perfectly done, like almost all the time. And umuntu lo uyabuke wahlala la phansi dingabantu. There's no way you wrote that shit. And I'm like, oh, maybe I'm not using this thing enough. And then I attempted today, Exeni. It really felt like cheating a lot. But then like ikandala mimi labele asebenza nini.
Yeah, exactly.
You're right.
So
I'm
Labana,
just
you're just
glad.
playing the system, but you're not really actually growing yourself or learning.
Yeah, I'm really glad I went to school.
I even
Ngakabi
saw a lecturer who was saying, do you guys know how many of you hand in your assignments and they are all the same? Because you guys, you think you're being clever using AI, but if I'm in a class of 250, I can guarantee you 80 of those assignments were generated by the same source.
paraphrase that application that was a nightmare. You turn it in.
Turn it in.
Eh. Babe maka ngayo. Mali henda inama assignment avela hlafake red. Ukuthi copy paste assignment.
Yes. So they
that
do.
was our nightmare.
So I
know?
don't know that one, but I know there's a similar thing now that just detects this is just AI. So now
Actually, there's an AI now where ungayenza assignment yakho,
Yes.
you can put your assignment in click a button written humanize.
What?
Really? So if you are using AI, lapana mouse referencing lapana. How do you?
Ngeke usutype khona phela.
I'm a fake what?
kufunakala wena, man.
Fake authors and shit.
Liyalifaka ama fake author lini.
Ah.
No. Like when it gives you like.
Oh,
Have you ever?
price 2021.
Now search ku AI lapana. Mana phela sekuncedisa.
I was answering it.
Now search lapha iyabitshengisa ukuthi is searching from which site. Kuyabe kulokunye kuyi icon phezulu. Kuyabe kutshengisa kuyabe kuphuma
Which particular one is this?
I think this is Gemini.
Okay.
Gemini
Okay.
AI. Yabe kutshengisa ukuthi okay, it's now searching on Wikipedia, it's searching on this site, searching on this. Then it compiles everything that is as read on all those sites. So if it puts a point, iyabe ile indawo esekhoneni iyabe number lana
Annotation.
Yes, and number lana if you click it yakuvulela link
Source.
the source yokuthi uyithethe ngayo.
Oh.
Yes, so it actually gives you isource ukuthi okay, you can even ask it. Ukuthi abantwana they're using it like they're using Google. So you can ask it like a teacher. Okay. So into le uyithole nga. Okay, among these three sources, which ones can go deeper in this topic?
Oh,
Ansho.
ukuthi mina ngikho serious.
Yabo. But if you use it good, you can use it ukuthi ikufundise wena. Abaningi ukuthi babecela ukuthi ngicela ungenzele lo.
Ikwenzele
Oh.
So
no.
ngathi okay,
Okay.
can you assist me
Take
study
the
into
lazy.
enje? Yakutshela ukuthi okay, ibala la u-understand la. Into le yabikhuluma ngale. So read more on this paragraph.
On Gemini?
Ikulungisele.
Yeah, it's on Samsung.
Nakusho
It's
ukuthi
also on
angikho
I mean,
ikhona
Androids,
ku-iPhone.
yeah. Muti mostly.
Ngithi
on
mina
Androids.
all I use that application for is to generate a picture of me in a red wig.
Yeah.
Angikho
Ah,
serious.
lapho uqinisile.
There's
Angiqinisile.
Drake.
Obviously it would.
But yeah.
Andiyabona.
Anyway.
So kahle kahle phakathi kwenkulumo yethu yonke le dizama ukuthi sigcwele lama graduate adali phandle la.
Mina I can tell you personally, I've met so many dull.
Mina
I've
I
met
can
so
tell you
many dull
firsthand, guys.
graduates.
It's actually real. Like some of the people out here, ngase ukhuluma la straight up umbuzo ezinye izinto so yabona umuntu ecwayiza ukuthi ala.
Now, very issue game is not even about ukuthi it's like a critical thinking because you know the idea is to go to school and then develop some level of critical thinking. Even if you are faced with something that's outside of whatever you learned, you know how to
Handle it, yeah.
you know what you know. But let me do some empirical research and get some data and then
The
make a
problem
choice.
starts when someone is studying to pass, not to understand. That's the difference between a student who gets good grades and a student who actually becomes good at what they studied in the future. Sebethule sebebona ama drinks.
Phela
I mean angitshela ukuthi ngisebenzisa ukwenzani. So
Now, vela ngisebenzisi you guys can find an episode ngakhuluma khona la ngathi lokho mina ngikusebenzisa. Mina ngcono nithwale nzima ngokuyisigudanga kwami lokho. Me myself I'm as good.
Selibona ke ukuthi it's not only Msangano and shit on this
but
podcast.
let's be frank, eh?
Siyazama.
Let's look at the time laphana kuyi-corona. Do you remember? Abantu abaningi they learned online, especially ama-doctors. How many people are yebo?
Ah, it's true.
Yeah.
Ithumba phela lisalapheki futhi.
Hey, do it. Abantu abaningi ngalesi have lost their lives. Jane, you were serious?
Yeah, litshela doctor about these days.
I'm afraid. Vele kalesi ngiqina
this guy says the most
ngesiphethu
random
and
thing.
stuff.
But you know, in as much as
Yeah.
abantu abaningi abasebenzisa AI bengamavila,
Yeah.
yilabana
Uswing
bokuthi
mic la.
angiswingi lokuyiswinga dog. Yilabana nje abayenza
He's a
ukuthi
swinger.
efika ku AI athi athatha question ye-assignment njengoba
Copy
copy
and
paste
paste.
photocopy the answer ayifakela ba sharp.
Phela that's the dream they were sold ku Instagram.
No,
Swipe
but
lapha.
that's not how AI is supposed to be used in critical thinking terms.
Yeah.
How is
So-
it supposed to be used?
All right.
Shine.
The way
Price
we
bekhuluma
used to
ukuthi
use it, huh?
uyayitshela ukuthi ngincedisa ku-research ebise ukutshela ibala la.
So the way, all right, I used to use it. The school was, you'll
How?
get a question
Nawe.
assignment, and yeah,
Ngiyadlala.
Anyway, it's a
and then
confession.
so for example, if they say discuss a certain topic within the community or blah blah blah, how you can help solve problems within the community through technology or through creative arts or something like that. and then you go and then look for the problems themselves in the community. Which, okay, AI, sharp, what are the problems that are faced by community? AI is all right, sharp, these are the problems, all right, sharp. So if I want to solve this problem using a creative way, how can I do it without maybe just something that is not really directly answering the question itself? But in a way, you're trying to build points around
source
that
information.
question. Exactly. You're not really getting the straight answer of that question. So personally, that's how I use AI, and I think that's how students are supposed to
Manje
use AI.
ngitshela ukuthi i-promise esilayo once again yona leyo ukuthi wena uyicela yona la icela kwenye AI la icela kwenye AI. At the end of the day, information yakhona is rotated between ama-AI, and as things change, it no longer becomes a true representation of what's going on the ground.
Broken telephone.
Yakwazini. Okukhulumayo is true, but I think it depends on into oyibuzileyo or i-task oyicelileyo.
Anje wona ukhuluma so ngibona uyisebenzisa kuhle. Abanye babonga ukuthi what is?
AI ungakhuluma la njengomuntu uthi okay, I'm studying on how to create a good podcast. Lapha engivela khona kulabantu abanje. So I need ukuthi ama topics ami abe natural, abe so. So okay, which podcast can I watch or which books can I read ukuthi ngibe nje? So iza kutshela ukuthi okay, la izikubuza ukuthi okay, ngokubuza ukuthi ngi-understand further, because into lana is artificial intelligence. So if you treat it like angani ukhuluma lo muntu o intelligent, it will give you ama results that will make you a better person, because abantu abaningi are feeding AI, you're not feeding from AI.
Mana pinda sizwe.
Yabona i-cranberry. Ayila magwebu namhla.
Ngamafitshane.
Angiyali into yabona. Yabona khona.
It didn't say come again, you said pinda. So you know what I mean.
Abanye point yakho, but iPrime ukuthi half of the time it's no longer pulling from actual sources the way you were saying it's supposed to be doing it. People are feeding AI because now we've moved past a point where the information it's getting was also refined by other AIs. This is an actual problem that is happening now with AI.
I think only point oyikhulumayo maybe comes to generate izinto ezinjengama picture ka Jane eChirate week. AI abiveli ngakwenza. Ufuna ukwenza lokho okanje vele AI yenza lokho. Zwana Jake nije AI ngicon generate picture leyo unisendele back ka test so
I don't know maybe. Bro, I saw a video of a guy who was kade bambi inkomitsho ayigonqamisa ebuzi AI ukuthi I think inkomitsho le defaulted because ivaleke phezulu but iphansi ivuleke. AI le yathi hayi cup yakho le ismoko le ngeke isebenze. He was just holding it upside down.
Really?
Yeah, and I was saying because it's not going to hold anything. Kumeli
Actually, AI is an enabler.
Mababo! What a great idea.
My husband. Wait, you are not wrong. What did he do?
Well, personally, I mean, the confession.
Gaslighter high kancane. Like, even wrong. Because Peter Ravanas Pandela, AI ends up believing they've never been wrong and they're always the victim. 24/7.
Now's X.
Le confession.
Yani, bengijalo.
Siyabuya ku-confession.
No.
Ule confession yokucheat uzositshela. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the BYO podcast. Umsangano and shit.
99.
Ingxoxo 99. This is episode
99, not AI generated.
Episode what?
212.
212.
Episode Buster 212. In this bitch.
My check 212.
Today we have a guest. Do you want to introduce yourself, my brother man?
Okay, me.
And tell these ladies why we brought such a smooth-looking boy in the face today.
Yes, I'm anyway. How's this up here, compa? Put some class on it. Try his sunlight.
Green pie. But sunlight is the one. Continue.
Lezi zezakhula zigeziswa nge-perfection.
Perfection. Jason Paliana and Jay Small. but wena umdala phela wena shuthi wageza amahlonga.
Mina vele mina ngirong oputas.
But
Ngirong.
anyway, must be give me that.
Ngimdala kancane ngilingana lo
Yoba.
mana imniki mic.
Man.
Olingana naye.
Lapha bakutrepile la.
Da. But anyway.
Introduce yourself, dog.
All right, ibizwe lami nguLeroy Nyathi, otherwise known as Abuti Leroux, the DJ from the NDSA Academy.
Washa, Liru, we wanna party.
Yeah, most of you know me from Okay, ngathi most ngithi some of you because I'm not that big. I'm just a house DJ. Most of you Karisi recently liqala ukuntanda kakhulu sengu house in CPT.
Uhlwa. Bakuthanda boy.
Best hand.
Blusher. Imblashile.
Bangithanda beze bengithengela utshwala ma.
So
Baphoze bangidayisa abantu lapha. Ngisaphinde kwenze nathi cranberry. Indaza zesuke dayi.
Amasimba.
So yeah, we have
Ow. Or
we have a student here from the NDS Academy. For those of you who don't know, the NDS Academy is the Nijeti Soul School of Knobs.
Yeah. Kumnandi.
Umele isikolo sakho ngayibona uthiwa passion is what? Excellence is our passion. What? Where your passion awaits.
Yeah.
Omele uthi siyayichila siyayipressa. Omele ubuze mina into lezi.
Mele zi8 ngapha.
Wanijeta so.
Yikho phela khona pa.
Siyayichila siyayipressa.
Khona phana uthi siyachila siyayipressure.
Say pressure.
Yeah. Sayifaka ipressure.
Ikhulume press, ikhulume.
Saychila, say pressure.
What the fuck, man? Passion le. Uthi uzoyichila ipress. Yabe kumelele ngaye.
Kunjani NDS sizokuthiwa headmaster wakho uyachaya kadlala.
Kadlala.
Vele uthwele induku ezispeak.
Ngabe liyambona nje kona. Ngimbona
Ngilapha
ngeforce.
I think for the first time in my life, I've never heard someone count from 1 to 4 kaningi. So yeah, empilweni yakhe.
1 2 3 4
1 2
Hayi man.
3.
Ithe pressa lokwena
Unyoko. Uzozutwa atopiwe wena usudiniwe.
It's nice to have you here, bro.
It's a pleasure.
I've heard you play also a couple of times.
Yeah.
You are one of our promising emerging talents that we have.
Ngathi ufuna uthi emergency.
Kadunjani.
I'm so ngithi we ngoba mina so DJ that they have in the mina ze NDS ngabuya kawathi. Kodwa mpatha di deposit ye school fees. Manje basembule di button. Ngathi mina lokho angifuni lokho. Esikolo ngangiqamla i-desk nga 26. Isikolo lesi fact up.
Ngangaphenduli lo.
But yeah, nah, it's good to have you here. Welcome to the podcast. Hopefully we'll have you again. Asikuse ngixoxa.
Hayi vakacha vele.
Yeah, actually
ngiyabentule kuphela.
Anyway, we had a lot going on eBulawayo this week.
Okay, siqale ngakholoko or nge-question of the day.
Alright, asiqale ngendaba lezi sidlulekiso lezi. Ngoba lezi izezitshisayo lezi.
Yashisa kakhulu.
Izezitshisayo.
Siyaluma.
Before, anyway, to
Literally is chisa.
Nsadaro, guys. That was a very unfortunate event. We have two very unfortunate events. The first one that we had was Ferry Cafe on 5th Street and
No, it was actually
13th.
a child.
Ferry Cafe.
Yeah.
Ferry Cafe on, is it what?
5 Street.
5th Street and
13 and between 13 and 14.
13th Avenue had an unfortunate accident. A chair pela overnight. That was obviously, I used to say, excuse-moi.
Quite excused.
Ay,
Damn,
con-
mistakes.
con-
Nigga,
con-
you don't have to breathe out like that. I saw shisha lay.
So-
It doesn't stink.
ayifikanga kuwena
So wangene 69 uqeda ukubranch umuntu somele uhold ibreath yakho ndo.
Kumbe kungena omunye xa ndinguwe usuphuma
lapho ndoda uzama ukuthi i-breath lapho kumele kuphume something ndoda
uthi uyachayisana lo
umzimba uvele ushaya i-screenshot
Yangena umuntu wena you were just peeing. You but you jump out.
Uhlulukelwe indlebe.
Or someone trapped in the elevator
Or someone found in the elevator.
and they leave.
But at least
Then
zima
omunye
elevator
ungenayo.
manje.
ebese kugayela fine
Khangele wena.
Nanga ngakukhuluma lokuthi mina. Mina ngakhuluma. Enye into futhi enzayo engayikhuluma ukuthi abantu bebekela into leziyana zokuthi etoilet yangini isbrusho lesiyana sikho lesiya. Singakwenzi lokho akho fail okay.
wena ule experience
Akho fail okay. I'm telling you dog.
what happened
look how good
This is space
No, it never happened to me, but I could tell ukuthi hey lapha. Umuntu uyagcina senkingeni. Senkingeni. Kazomela uyenza isijumba setissue ungene fast.
Jake, before we go to our main topic of the day on this thing, story time.
Let's go.
Right. Kulenye ishabhini yayise-BF kwakuthiwa ngoku-17. Right. There's this man, I can't mention him by name because people watching the podcast bazawamazi. Wangena e69 efunga shawo number 2 eshabhini. So yeah.
Number 2 eshalast.
Yeah, number 2 eshalast. He's a very big guy, so vele number 2 wakhe wayele 4 phakathi.
But one multiplier, you know.
Wachaya comfortably. Then this other lady like, sefuna ukungena e69. Uyavula umnyango uthi akulo muntu. Awahlala wamelelwa abapatient wabona 2 minutes 3 minutes umuntu kaphuma aqasa ubhenga umnyango phuma wena kanti the guy actually uzama ukuflasha uthuthukani lokho luchaya ama 360 khona phana lungaphumi. That guy wathi ebona lapha sokule pressure lapha sokumele imphume wabe hayi odopha uthuthukani wafaka live odopha uthuthukani wafaka esikhwameni. Right. Sephuma phandle lapha selahla uthuthukani but you know ukuthi vele
hayi manje sikuyatha i-podcast sesilamanga kakhulu.
Bro.
Uhlala ukukhulunywa ngelokhu
Don't clip in fungo dog.
Uzwile ukuthi nje ishala siyangikhona kwakuthiwa kubani? Ku17 uhambe ebuza ukuthi ku17 mbani wadopha uthuthukani wafaka esikhwahleni.
Kade mabala la.
Hayi usithujeni kakhulelanga igazi. Kugono.
Amajensi sebembuza abadala abanye ukuthi kanti mdala kanti why ungani ukuthuthukani wabe sisusa istory lapha unazibani bese ufuna ukungena.
Karongo savayo right umelele.
Wafaka isikhwameni siphi?
Esebrugwe.
Mina nechomi yami. Napha ngiza enye fact up eyenzakalayo fair. Nenye ichomi yami ngivo kuphambi kwamagrosa yawo. So obviously kuyakho namabhawa ezidakwa zethanda ukuthi sizibuye zocela i-toilet lapha. Vele impilo yakhe yonke yakwazi walokuze nini. Ideni lakho nosolo realize. Ideni lakho nisenketha phambi kwamavisa. Ndoda, uthi one day kube omnye umdala ezoqoqoda ecela i69. Umdala azotoilet le. Umdala wabe khuluma ukuthi mntana nami ngiyacela. Mntana ngiyacela. Uthi umdala ekhuluma ubona umdala sithi, "Hanjabo, okay." Obviously, you broke got it quarter.
Mana. Processing kita 9.
Not a 9.
Nga.
Think it. Ngeke lama cross amane.
Manje story lesiyasa.
tshela wathi kwaphuma uthunji le
Kwaphuma iYMCMB.
The views views and comments konke.
So anyway, angazi sifike njani lapha party.
Yeah.
Ilokhu zichile.
Yeah, ferry. I think maybe so la toilet ferry ichile.
Hayi.
Ndoda le rice.
Obviously, indaba eFerry Cafe yani ibuhlungu bro because you don't want to see any business owner
like that
take a loss like that. That shit is heartbreaking overnight. But I heard they released a statement and said it wasn't negligence or whatever. It wasn't
Like
gas or electrical, yeah.
Now fact
So,
check la.
I think they released a statement like that.
no
Reporting live from Bryce Classic.
All right, so this is a statement from Ferry Cafe taken from their Facebook page. Earlier this morning, meaning yesterday, Ferry Cafe Bulawayo was severely damaged by a fire, resulting in the loss of the premises and its contents. We are deeply grateful to confirm that no lives were lost and no injuries have been reported.
That too.
The cause of the fire is currently under investigation by the relevant authorities, while preliminary observations indicate that the incident was not related to electrical or gas faults. We will await the official findings before making further comment. This is a heartbreaking moment for the Ferry Cafe family, our team, and our valued customers who have supported the Bulawayo branch. However, our spirit remains strong and we are already working on the path forward. We sincerely thank the community for the outpouring support and concern during this difficult time. Further updates will be shared as more information becomes available. Ferry Cafe Management.
Yeah, that was a heartbreaking story, bro.
Yeah, it was.
That was a really heartbreaking story. I used to always say, ungathathi pictures of ferry, especially that bar area. People would think you're in SA, bro.
Yeah.
You know,
They had a really dope aesthetic. It was. They had a really dope aesthetic, especially by the bar there.
You know, Mina, I always want to be available in case someone needs me ngakule emergency. But as much as Wunjalo, I always hate morning calls. So if ungifonela early exeni, like ngamo AM, like 5 AM kusiyalan, I always expect you to be into serious. So I got a call from the lady or manager khona ngale. Ngabo past 5 to 6. I mean, I was like, this is very odd. Why umuntu lo emfonela ngale? So like I literally answered nge voice line yokuthi, okay, let me try not to be rude, but I'm annoyed. Ukuthi semvuswe call late before my alarm. You know, she went straight to the point. What Jake, Ferry Cafe iyacha. Ngathi, yeah.
And that will wake you up, dog.
Dude, I woke up, I stood up.
Yeah.
Ngatopi jacket ngakwasinya.
That's good.
No, like seriously, I was shocked. You know why? Ogunye, like in my mind, like I had a show that I was preparing there. So I was thinking the whole day, okay, speaker lapana. So in my mind, I'm thinking, okay, even my equipment thing, because one, two, I'm in shock. So I didn't know which. Okay.
But you're a man of action, bro. I would have a baguette in a man. Nothing, but dude, all of I extinguish.
I went to the scene after a school run, bruh. It was a sorry sight. So I couldn't recognize the place.
Damn.
I'm on my way.
Price. As a man of action. Nah, that shit was really hard.
Yeah, we're in shock.
I still haven't seen what it looks like live.
Na vela mfundo kuyafika.
Sesibuyele Baku or something.
Yeah, no offense. No offense to Baku.
Baku ngene 2020 okavi.
Oh.
But you know, actually speaking of Iferi, there's something else I saw. I'm not sure. I think it's clear Zolo. When was the 18th?
Yes,
from Herald. But 2 employees from Ferry Cafe appeared in court yesterday for allegedly manipulating computer data and stealing $4,724 US. Could this have been manipulated to cover up an alleged theft? What do you think? So I clicked on the link, Herald, right? And then it says 2 employees from Ferry Cafe appeared in court yesterday for allegedly manipulating computer data and stealing $4,724 US. Theophilus Moyo.
Allegedly. It's online.
It's online. This is from Herald. This is Herald, bro.
It's online, Moyos.
Yeah, with Theophilus Moyo and Theophilus Moyo
Hey,
and
Baba
Loke
Martins.
Dube appeared before Bulawayo magistrate,
fast.
Miss Patience Matoto, facing charges of unlawful interference with data and a data storage medium as defined in section 163B of the Criminal Law Act, chapter 9.23, and unlawfully concealing a transaction from a principal as defined in section 172, 1A, 1.2 of the same act. The duo pleaded not guilty for both accounts. Moyo and Dube applied for bail and were granted $200 bail each.
So you think they would burn down like a
For 4K.
for 4K? That's crazy.
So wait. Twa- Miss Matoto ordered them to surrender their passports to the police and to report to the police once every 2 weeks.
Yeah.
They were sternly warned not to interfere with state witnesses. The matter was postponed to 17 March for commencement of trial. Prosecutor Mr. Joseph Rugara told the court that from January 2025 to December 2025, Theophilus Moyo and Loke Dube unlawfully interfered with computer data software by altering
So
credentials of Moyo, who was employed as a manager, to reflect him as the owner of Ferry Cafe. Moyo then accused accessed rights to delete important information, including stock records.
So this is edit from Jan to December.
Yeah.
So 4K in like 11 months. I was
Yeah.
They're really strategic with that.
The court
if you
heard
take it, that might be 400, 500 bucks a month.
a month, yeah.
So
So the court heard that Dube, who was employed as a security guard, manipulated the computer system using credentials of Umoyo. Dube presented himself as the manager to access the system and deleted information related to stock. While in the system, the accused persons allegedly deleted and concealed transactions amounting to $4,724 US.
Damn.
$4 then.
$24. What we
$4
dish?
then I'm
You're having an in drive.
So we see a cash out.
Yeah, that's crazy. That one is crazy.
So what do you think about this, in your own opinion?
I don't know. I think that just might be two isolated events because personally, I wouldn't run to link them together. I'll just say, hey, in business anyway, those are things you deal with anyway. You my employees.
Yep.
MJ.
I also think it's separate because you wouldn't burn shit down for 4K, honestly.
Unless ngoba sithi computer kuphela. What? So my desk. Hi, isofa. Asabi.
But okay.
But it those.
But no. I think those are two isolated
Mina
events.
kulo mntu engimaziyo achisindle zamuchisa igundane.
Aye.
No, like you can ask my dad about
Podcast
it.
lazy,
I
podcast
swear.
yamama.
Yeah.
Where
No,
we're going
guys,
right now.
actually, I'm not a person who swears. but I don't swear, but she was drunk.
And it's the
She was drunk.
The scary part is
Umuntu omdala futhi
the
ngisonta naye.
scary part is sesibela manga oma 40 sehambile.
Ay,
Yini nguwe esibamba.
These lies are proudly sponsored by
Contusion comedy.
40-40.
But yeah, angazi. I think yeah.
Or else ama-gents afake hard drive ku-microwave.
Sokusiba west.
Delete.
No, but don't those things go to a server somewhere? Like I'm a transaction.
Microwave engine yaku server.
No, like I'm no, it's a transaction.
Wena umazi ukabelo wena. Usafuna uzi-explain.
Kutumeza kwa iCloud.
No, like I'm a transactions from what I know. Kulala pa hamba kona to an external database.
But I guess that's what they were doing because they said they manipulated the
They
software.
were manipulating.
So maybe
Yeah, it's trying.
Anyway, in the
After
TV
school.
media, but phew,
Yeah,
this
eh.
is also it's crazy because
Yeah.
honestly, if they're in court now, which means they wabanjwa before maybe a
before.
month ago.
Nah, before.
Because our banjo Tuesday, so say courting
It
Wednesday.
doesn't make sense unless it's made.
So I consider
Unless if it's
each time your corner just makes maybe just looks like a bad run for Ferry
Yeah,
Cafe.
yeah.
Ukuthi namhlu chile kusasa kulama lokuze yini. But I think
Because
that's
let me
just-
get I was like,
yeah,
wait,
that's
what
just
is
shit
this?
timing,
Because
bro.
at first I thought it was a clickbait.
Yeah,
And I saw Herald. I was like,
Yeah.
what?
I think it's
Crazy.
just shit timing. Look, I must have started 2 months back.
Like, what makes this thing even worse is, like, gobele issue na le lokuzin. These guys that are in court, right? As I mentioned, uthi bengusini zola. What happened is, you know, people were just so confused and devastated. Abanye becabanga about their jobs and stuff. Omunye ube disoriented, like the chef wakhona ngale. Wabe hamba nje wangena emgaqweni washaya imoto. Isandla esiwana sisebenzi unyawo belugobini. Ngapha sikhuluma ngetragedy omunye ufuna ukuhleka istatement engisikhulumile.
Not laughing at what you're saying. It's something else.
Hey, man.
It's just
really
that
hard.
you're
So-
timing
so now-
now.
Kwambe njani? Uchef uchaya imota.
Yeah, like people were just so like
Oh, uto Ferry Cafe.
Ferry Cafe.
Oh,
Kona pana, just next to the scene of the locuzin of the
So
fire.
same
lisathwele
time.
lisathi mayibabo ngapha.
Abantu-
Damn.
You know, like
No, dog, that's crazy.
you
bro.
saw the first pictures akade phumile ku Chronicle, like when they were standing by group lapha.
Yes.
Right. Ngesikhathi be dispersa from that locuzin, from that circle akade bekiyo. Uhle wachaya imoto.
Fuck.
U admit you as you speak.
Fuck.
2 ladies ba collapsile on the scene.
Fuck.
That's-
Well, our prayers.
Then a DJ osebenza kwaba resident DJ. The previous day abafana bakhe babuye bazochiya equipment. Since besebenza kwaba okay guys, let's just leave these things here. A warehouse gathi sokusebusuku transport izashlupha. Bachi equipment. A lot of things were lost
but-
in the fire, man.
No, that's a
Sad,
tragedy.
That's
Our
really
prayers and our heartfelt inhliziyos go out to, because obviously it's, you know,
Aye, so relying money in man. Into lesi singidida lapha. It's really something else.
because at first Anjo was there was no loss of life and no injury.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
at least that kind of, but obviously when you put it in the larger context like that, I think it's just a bad run, bro.
It's really bad.
Yeah.
Sometimes you hit a shit week and
Is
then
it true that that building has burned down before?
I do not know that.
Yeah, I heard that as well.
I heard
From what I
rumors.
heard, yeah.
Ukuthi that building. It's not the first time you see.
Oh, I did
I don't
not
know
know
about
that.
But it's not a.
think
It's
it's the other
really
section
sad
of-
for someone to lose such a nice place like that.
Well, bro, you know when you invest in things like that, also your ROI is not in a year or two.
Yeah.
You do those things for 10-year return,
Yeah.
10 to 15 years.
Yeah.
So obviously you're not even anywhere close to touching, you know.
Maybe even
the money.
10%
We're hoping
of
maybe there's an insurance situation at play,
Yeah.
but still, damn, bro.
Eh,
Now,
but-
ngikwazi ubuhlungu linje lebazi ubuhlungu bokufelwa ifoni. Ubuhlungu bokufela ifoni.
Uyakhumbula ukugcina azafelwe ifoni lilonke.
Ugcina uba depressed immediately.
Basebenzisa imbuzi.
Ifoni yakhe yacisha. So cabanga nje kona ubuhlungu bokufelwa ifoni.
Ayiwanga nothing. Iphumba
Then you think about someone whose
yakhumbula
business
yapana
burnt down.
yakhumbula sekudobhoyi laphana ngizama uku-update i-iOS ifoni yacisha ingalayitha
manje wawusu-updatelani yami
andingavunguna
Hayi.
something
ufana nolengqondo ezinto yakhe yacishiswa i-update wabethathe yami abantshelanga ngaphunga ubona ifoni yami
wabona sekule apple
Isitshelela.
isile apple sign ithi battery lami ligcwele what's going on here uthi hayi mboni yami ingasavukile
So asife sonke dog.
eh
Yeah.
that's crazy
The second story that was doing the rounds, actually national news anyway in Bulawayo, was of what's her name?
Asanda.
Asanda
Asanda.
Yes.
charisma
Ndlovu.
Asanda
Yes.
Charisma Ndlovu, 2-year-old who was taken Miklis Lapa.
Yes.
On which day was it? Was it
was Tuesday.
Wednesday? Tuesday.
Yes.
On Tuesday. But obviously, we can mention it now. With today, which is Thursday, she was taken on Tuesday. Today, which is Thursday, which is when we record the podcast, she has been found and she's unharmed. And utholakale flirting estila. Did you guys see the video?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She was with a lady, right?
Yeah, how you unkazana ungusisi?
And unkazana angibona ngani i-girlfriend yakhe.
Girlfriend
Indlela ngani type.
Does she work at the mall, the girl?
No, she was just at the house.
She was just at the house.
I don't know, maybe I misheard. I heard she had been asking around the flirting ukuthi ubaba umntwana lombani or something.
Or she wasn't aware.
I don't know.
Into engizwileyo mina ukuthi kuthiwa wafika wachiyelwa umntwana kwathiwa ngigcinela ngiyabuya ngiye-Plumtree, and it's that guy.
Because obviously in the video, for those of you who didn't see the video was online from CCTV. It's not even CCTV, that's SysTV. But it looked like, obviously it was a guy who came to go get umntwana.
Yes.
And then she was now found with the lady. So it's obviously not a question ukuthi she's not the one to ukukhuluma a sexy voice.
Yeah, upress my soul like to ikhuluma sexy kakhulu.
Yabona ngizomosha kakhulu.
So obviously it's not her that took the child. Yena maybe asabe ngamthola khona uthola ukuthi ingceke kade ekwazi. Ingceke ubesebonile because indlela esekhala ngayo ku video there. But maybe usela nje uthi wena uthola umntwana you know. But because it's like selling about ukuthi ayisuwe you didn't do it, but at some point you found out this was the kid that was taken against, was kidnapped, and we're looking for her, and was Thulela.
Yeah, vele because ba vele bamfaka izankosi.
She might be in trouble for that. But if she didn't know until they opened the door, then
maybe
she was interfering with what.
But indlela screaming ngayo lapha in the video, you didn't listen closely. Not even. Look at the video closely. Uhlokwazi ibhak lapha
livula kwathi usunge uyu.
Isama cuffs.
Lapha kuthiwa interfering with Basare Bakomana.
Basare boys.
From what I heard, most of those guys who were actually investigating were sent from Harare.
Oh.
Really?
Yeah. Harare. Yeah.
But I just had a question. I don't know, maybe I just really want you guys to also fact check me on this one. I just wanted you guys to also fact check me on this one. It's more of a question. Umntwana ejonjwa like in the first place. Was it umasalo osebenza like ole store chemicals konapana? Was that the first thing?
I think that's the story.
She was attending to a customer.
She was attending to a customer.
She was attending to a customer. So, with that logic, I hate to be this kind of person to ask such a question.
You are that kind of person.
I am, because I like chaos. But like, do you think the mom is also at fault and partly to blame for the whole thing happening?
Me, before I answer that, Valer, before I answer, I'll ask you, how much have you been around a 2-year-old?
I have been
Not
around
much.
a lot.
A lot.
Like,
Ingane ziyahlupha,
ungaletha
guys.
abazulu bami la bagcwalisa ikota ye-cotton, you think ukuthi maybe ngenzile and infants.
Yep. Actually ikhona.
Iprime ukuthi ingane ziyagida insimbi zase-envy.
Siya remix uKokomelon, sifake
Into
ibhizi.
singayenza lamanye ama-students vele abulalayo njengo-Jane lapho Kokomela nommixa kubi
Yo,
shaya ama-clean version.
ndifuna ushayela ingane ishisha la.
Hayi
Ah,
asebenza
yabo ngela
khona
shisha, no
khona
alcohol, no
ukublow
words.
ama-bubbles.
Yo,
You
but
can
ishisha
bring your
ingane,
kid
yeah.
also, you know.
Hayi abantwana jena ndayo yacina zorabona ije
Yeah.
Epstein.
What the fuck, man?
It's true.
Hey, yeah.
Yiko kufunakala khona Steve mawuplana ama-event so they can read the terrain and tell you.
Uthi what's happening?
Uthi, my man, it might not be a good time. Ndoda wazi ngithe ndidrive etown.
Uhamba njengomgcini. Why sweet?
Ngithe ndidrive etown phambi kwe-QV lapha ngabe mbona
Ngifaka ama-shades angiboni.
omnye inkazi onhlathu uzangikhathwa nguNomsa ube bhabhula umntanakhe so ngabe ngisehlisa iwindi ngabe ngisithi bayatshontsha abantwana these days sisi uyazi nje ukuthibika abantu abangu-10 bangikhala abantu ngabe ngithi wow
Do you know what you
too
reminded
soon for
them
that
of?
joke
Uyakhumbula imoto lana esithi fanele siyihlo lonyoko. You reminded them of that. That's what you did.
I think so
And
Like,
labo bakubona khona.
bahle bethu
Nangena ubhuti
bana
wami.
bembona umna wami vele wakhulelela nini nade ngomtshela
When
ukuthi
did you do this?
today what do you mean when did it
Wena kule ongoing ezweni
Bro.
lesibindi.
ubesetholiwe umntwana
Bro.
cause yena anyway uNomsa uhlekile cause she saw it was me
If she didn't laugh, my friend.
Speaking of uvalelisa ihlo lonyo kayikhumbula lana kwakuthiwa isithi ngawubamba bahamba bekumunyisa ixoxo.
Ah? Nangicana amafutha ogcoba umlomo lapha.
wathi abakumunyisa ixoxo
I think ikhona kuma
Khona
archives
letsatsa
elokhuze.
Ngaphi?
No, not ukuthi wena umunye ixoxo limunya wena.
Nga.
It's there on Chronicle
Yay.
Archives. Yeah.
ekasi kathi
Wena-
ufuna ukumunya ngayenga
Likumunya nga.
wena phendula ufuna ukuphendula ungafuna ukukhulumisa abantu
Ngiyabuza usicokona mina ku
wena ufuna likumunye ngayexoxo
emntwanyeni what?
On the nipples.
It's even worse than I thought.
the nipples
The fuck?
Yabo
Phela
imbondo
bese
zensa
njalo
corrupted
parent.
so much ukuthi selamunywe endaweni eziningi ukuthi the original place okumele nxa kuthiwa munya.
mina ngicawutshela something into ekhulunywa nguBryce futhi vele sesikhuluma khona is a true reflection of what's happening in society. We've had so many fucked up people now that you can't even genuinely say, I love kids.
Yeah, because you
Think about that, bro. Think about that.
Actually, there's something that happened recently. There's a video of Michael Jordan.
But
circulating.
lapha nomdala la lapha.
Lie.
Yeah,
During
yeah. To give people to give people context, there's a video of Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan, the greatest NBA player of all time. He was standing somewhere. I don't know where. There was a kid, bro. Maybe that boy is like 7 or 8. A small white boy. Oh, Michael Jackson. Oh, Michael Jackson. Oh, Michael Jordan. We're like,
Vele Michael abaningi bale problem.
Michael, he was vindicated.
where are you going after this? So maybe that's a bit fucked up. But
Like which were white.
I was a white kid, bro. And that could have just been, just genuinely, what?
Kuthiwa ubengenwe yini ngama-ice? Kuthiwa ubengenwe ngama-ice esigqokweni.
Umfana?
Kuthiwa yini bezama ukhipha ama-ice ebhrukweni? That was what was said.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
I
Kuthiwa
mean,
bezama-
I'm-
but ama-ice azibulaleli one eniphumile.
Awuzange uze
On the
inokuze
video.
show me that if you're a black person in America, don't F around with a white kid.
A white
Awuzange ubone
person
baze
nje.
bakufaka la kulokhuzeni la ku one of the episodes ku series lana ethiwa nguBlackish. Like there was a lost white
Yes.
kid in an elevator. Every black guy decided to take the stairs.
Yep.
Please.
Did you
What were you late for the meeting? I took the stairs. There's a white kid in the elevator.
did you watch Raising Kanan or any of the Power series?
He
Okay, so
planned
there's a
umntana
certain
lana
scene. This little white girl was saved from an abuser. She was a foster kid with other white parents. So she was saved by a black guy. So he shot the abuser. The guy was trying to rape that white kid. Obviously, when the cops get here, tell them that guy who is dead was shot by one of your foster parents. They had a shootout.
'Cause it can't be me.
Yeah. So as a black guy in front of cameras, what did you think during the whole Epstein
And the
issue
Epstein
going
files
on?
just
and
came
you
out,
said-
dog. Why
and
are
he
you
was
spanking a
laughing on
toddler?
some-
Why are you spanking little Timmy on TV, bro?
Ube squeeze so he said, ehleka. I'm like, ah.
But when in the
know?
Tina, even to say it out loud is very difficult for me.
I love kids.
No, I enjoy hanging out with young adults.
Akuyenzi.
But still, it's always sketchy now because of
Akuyenzi.
people and their, what's the word I'm looking for?
Everything you say can be used against you in the court of law.
Yeah.
Kutari,
It's being recorded.
coat of arms.
Say it.
Sungewe.
And also on that
Those guys,
Zima,
those guys look like they are playing. They don't know what they're doing until they start looking for you. Eh?
they're useless until you're a suspect. I'm not ngalandwa personally, so I know the experience. Anyway, on that note, I know kulo muntu ayi-24 nama wasebenzisa isim card yakhe,
Fraud.
afaka kwenye- Never mind. Anyway, on that note, lawe.
Ngiyadlala.
7 million.
Mana bani.
Part of the 11.
Ah, you guys.
4 million.
No.
ikuhlala unuka kuhle.
That's a nice compliment. Thank you.
But I was courteous nje.
On that foot
Ubu-10 very cool.
No, we were speaking about my
Okulandwa.
children's.
Okulandwa.
Hey, you living kids and stuff. Okay, sorry, but you know what I mean. So there was also a debate going on online. So there was a guy who he has a daughter.
Oh.
So he couldn't take her to the man's store.
Oh, so you had to take her to.
So a memeza male coming in, what with umntwana and what, and then what does memeza abantu besithi, hey, what the fuck are you doing in a girl's bathroom, blah blah. And those people were trannies, right?
So it was men.
It was men again, you know. So then now the debate was umuntu oyindoda ohamba lo mntwana kwenkazana ungenisa umntwana etoilet iphi ngoba ngeke ahamba emchemisa phandle
Emadodeni.
like
Yeah.
ophandle njengomntwana ongumfana, you know.
Oh, that's a little tricky. Maybe you can ask for
So what
assistance,
would-
but anyway, in these times, bro, ngeke ube ngiqhole umuntu umntana akho.
You
Yeah, no, you
can't.
Go and
can't.
vula i-private
You
part
can't.
umntana.
You can't. And these days,
Where's Jenny?
ngizenza deputy parent. So there's this little kid was looking at me, oh cute, izolo enkazana. And I'm looking around, I don't see the parent. Umzali ungangali, like abantu bebekata ama steps. So yena ungangapha, yena umzali unganga ukhuluma efonini. Abantu lokhu bedlula center kwabo. Yazi ngamlanda ngathi wena. With everything that's going on, uthi umntana lo emile laphana, like what's your problem?
But have we had a lot of these? This is like the first one we've had since
The
we
first
became
one,
adults.
No.
There's that kuwatana item
No.
where they
What
do kids playing phandle.
Ekuwatsana.
Babathola bevalelwe emoteni befile.
There's a lot going on, bro.
There's a lot.
There's
It's happening a
another.
lot.
There's a baby. Owantshontshwayo ngale, what you call that place? Tuzanla se King George. What's that area called?
Pardon,
Kilani.
Parklands.
Yeah,
Parklands.
Yes, there's a baby still missing lagadesi, bro. By the it's crazy.
A lot.
It's crazy.
It's happening like a
It's
lot.
happening all over the country and everywhere.
Uchontsha umuntu majensi, and I think a different kind of desperation must come on you. To steal a person.
Izinto lezi ziyayenzakala. It's just that information doesn't travel as fast
Or
here.
too much information travels, so it gets flooded.
Yes.
No,
that
no.
also. That
So
also.
kunubona
Yeah.
indaba Vinicius Junior, and then you don't catch it. Maybe
Exactly.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. No, uhle lokhu wakuchaya ikhanda kwamba.
He landed.
Exactly.
Pressure up. Pressure up.
I wanted to ask something. It's quite it's a sad and sensitive story.
Yeah.
So there's this woman, she was looking for her toddler. I think she's around 1 to 2. Engamboni, but the neighbors' twins took that kid bamvalele pakethini elamanzi. Wazwamthola ngo5 ntambama efile. And then she took those twins and did the same to them. So she posted, I'm waiting for the cops to do the same thing to me. But
Is this a true story?
yes, it happened today.
Nah.
In SA.
Oh.
Lex.
Hey, labana
In
vele.
SA.
Labana
Yeah.
vele. You know, like okwethu is basic. Umuntu utshontsha umntwana wahamba la.
So she
Ngale kathiwa
posted,
utshontshe umntwana
wathi-
wenza so wathi batholakala benze so.
So labana bebe ngabantwana bedlala.
So the twins, they overpowered her child. Bamvalele ebhakethini elamanzi. Wamdinga a whole day. Babuya bazoconfessa those little twins. Bathi umntwana simthetha samfaka ebhakethini but kasaphumi. So uthe emthola impilo wabathatha labo wabadrawuna same way. So other people were asking Guti what she did, is it justified or what? She just posted and said she's waiting for.
This is a
The
fucking
cops.
Tyler Perry level tragedy, bro.
Right?
It's one of those ones where either way, I think there's some things in life that just don't even have a lesson or anything. It's
They
just
don't.
fucked up.
And you can't even weigh in because you don't know what
Yeah.
you would have done.
Because if I was the parent of the twins, I would feel like, but ngabantwana, surely you should have known ukuthi there was no intended malice. But then again, if
But
I'm
she
on the
was
other side,
emotional at that
yeah, at that time she's so hot blooded, bro. Who can't even think straight?
Iyakwazi kunjani nje, like if umntwana wakho engahamba edlala nje, speaking from a perspective of a parent, atshaya ngomunye alimala, yaba lokuyi sort of engokuncane, but then ibusupho muthi ngabantwana.
Ngabantwana.
Now think of it at a level ukuthi kalimalanga ufile.
Ufile and ubumdinga.
Into lana nje engakho, it will be like champagne popping out.
Yeah,
bruh.
it boil over.
Yabo. Vele it will boil over. Then you realize later ukuthi ngabantwana. When
I've ever now I feel like this is a scenario where you just feel bad for both families. This is a tragedy.
It's really, really bad.
I
I also think it's very difficult to give an opinion ngasomzali.
Yeah, that is true. But hey, also in a scenario like this, bro, you can see it's just fucked up.
But
I used to do
also,
fucked up shit also as a kid.
when you think about it, and in a way, la ungumzali, bro, because aren't you an uncle that is?
Yeah.
You are. Yes. That's a.
So you think that way.
You think that way as well.
Well, in the African structure, it takes a village, bro.
Yeah.
Because ibizwa obaba omncane, obaba omdala, umama omncane.
Umama, labo baba, laba.
But you know why I'm saying it's a bit difficult? Is because I remember someone, Ongumzali City, you know that moment when you look at your child and then you make a face and then they laugh and giggle back at you. It's that moment where you realize I would kill someone to keep this child safe.
Really, attachment, Liana, irrational because that is programming for survival of species. We're supposed to feel that way about our offspring because we can protect them. And then Lokiana is millions years of evolution.
yes, the funny
So what do
thing,
you think
engi
was-
realize le, like in 10 sense the school run. Yes, there's a point I realized which I know son is tired, man, I'm tired. But the way I was carrying him, I was not looking how is corrected time, man. I don't want to carry my child like Lord which child. No, serious. Like that thing was playing in my head so much. Am I gripping him? Am I pulling him? Looks so innocent compared to other things.
Papa, mama, hey.
So are you saying, were you asking about the motives?
People were asking Uguti, had she not done that to the twins, what was going to happen? Like law-wise.
Because they're kids also, so they
Yeah.
probably... And it would just be ruled off as just a genuine accident.
No, murder is murder, bro. Whether as a kid, you go to prison.
But I'm twins.
As
How
a
old
kid.
were
As a
the
kid, you
twins?
go to juvie.
They were slightly older.
Yeah, but
than
I
You
wanna-
will
than
still
the
be
toddler.
tried for it in a more lenient
juvenile,
way.
yeah,
but
You go
bele
still,
mucho, you go bele mucho.
you still have ukuthi uzabaleqala.
But ngabantwana, bro.
Abantwana still. They now need to then gauge your cognitive ability. Did you
Were you aware
comprehend
of what you were
was
doing?
going on? Did you know what you
Yeah, but it's obviously way more lenient. And the
Because you're a
point
kid.
is, fuck me. This is just a sad story, bro.
So the kids were how old roughly?
Three.
Abantwana, dog.
Abanye
I
maybe
think-
bebe ku-kinder.
Yeah, bona
You can't try those
If-
people. 6 years
yeah,
or
bona
5 years,
laba
6 years.
abale 13 lan. They go through a process of okay, let's look at the degree of the incident. Ukuthi kwenzakale njani. Was it premeditated and stuff? Let's say okay, we'll try you as an adult.
Yeah.
But for
But
those
95,
infants, they don't understand it death. Up until so can pero umuntu lo kasavuki vele kasavuki forever. They don't know which was
Abantwana nje
happening.
bafika bethu ulokhu uzulele ngathi.
Yeah.
Akasavuki.
Yeah. That's probably why they went to tell.
That is a sad fucking story, bro.
Too many
really
sad
is.
stories today. Anyway, just to lighten the mood, I've got a question of the day. Ngalisa cabanga ngizalinika enye answer ngitholile, right? So, kuthiwa, what's an insult that you'll never forget? Omunye uthi bathi wisdom has been chasing you, but you've always been fasting.
Abasebenzi kutshelile.
Nangazothiwa, you look like you're thinking Tucci.
You what?
Look like you think in 2G.
Now, the one I heard was, yes, you speak in a manner in which people start to acknowledge and appreciate your silence.
Mina manje itshele mina mhlambe
I
ngayihlonipha.
envy people
Ngaze
who haven't
ngitshele.
met you yet.
Man. Yeah, bathini.
But indoda indlela okhuluma into eyikhulumayo le ndlela eyikhuluma ngayo si-appreciate lapho uma uthule. But it wasn't me. Wabetshele yinye esikolo.
Ami mhlambe ngayivumayo mina ngangibukela amajita ngothiwa ngowindi ayisithwe. So ngumama wena.
And that one was it.
Ngumama wena. Yakwenza umama kaTheshi. I was like, fuck me. I'm ready to fight, bro. Call me that shit in front of ngumama wena.
Like
Ngumama.
gent to gent.
Yeah. There's
Like
two
you're my
niggas.
bitch, basically.
I was telling him ngumama wena. That's what you do la ngumama wena.
Bro, it's mad.
Hayikhona futhi wena nxa usithi bitch futhi usuthi ukuze no usithi you're a fucking bitch. Ungumama.
Mama, it means you are my bitch.
Ndoda
Lesimame
vele
kuchaya ngesindebele.
ungumama.
Omunye kuthiwa, so tell me, has anyone ever told you that you're beautiful? No, why? At least you're surrounded by honest people.
Yeah.
I don't think that happens
You don't think that happens?
in the city. Asigcwele amanga la.
Amajita lo Moscow. But abafazi babaqambelana amanga ukuthi bahle.
So to fry them.
No,
fry us, we are
you
your
look
chips.
beautiful.
Kari uthwani lokhuyana.
I'm gonna tell you guys
Ngaphansi
something.
kwemfene njani
Lalela.
ku-Instagram.
As long as you feel
Lalela.
good about
Lalela.
yourself.
So you ate and left no crumbs. Usinya.
Lalela, I'm gonna tell you something. Lalela. I'm gonna tell you something crazy. This might sound like it's a fucked up thing, but
It is fucked up, KBD.
I've proved it statistically. The good-looking girls always have a fair amount of comments under them. The average and below-looking girls on social media,
500.
fuck me.
500.
The overcompensation is on fucking NOS,
Wena. Ngeke hate.
nitrous oxide.
Badlala Need for Speed.
But you know, I'm just saying.
I think you guys,
Na vele
as
ngakhomenta into
guys,
enzamangani bami.
if you feel like you want to look for Han on social media, avoid those ones who do photo shoots a lot. You'd rather meet them live or via a video calls and what.
Interesting,
Because
Auntie Jane.
those photographers know how to edit, and by the time you meet that person, you're going to be very disappointed.
Akatholakala ukhana manje utshele njengo 2026 ma expect ukuthi umuntu okhuluma la iphone inhlanga in person la you're setting yourself up for masturbation later on. So phuma imetsinzo nesi. La ngawumbukela utshele wakho umhawukela lapha ubu deductor too. And then I'm saying if you meet someone on social
Mana
media,
phela photographer bakathesa and ba edama hips.
Bafaka bezofaka lama
Bayesisisu
dimples.
lapha. Befake
Ama dimples.
they edit the hell out of those pictures.
ale vele sokuyiloko ze.
Like they really do. And I always, and it's nice
Aye,
when they
guys.
make someone look nice.
O photographers
But
sebengama
manye
criminal.
bengizwela
Hey,
umuntu
whoa,
obeliever
whoa,
online.
guys, khona nje no photographer bamsulwa
We
bakithi.
criminal.
Hayi
Yeah,
likhona
wena.
kulabanye.
criminal.
Xoleleni bo.
Yes, that-
Xoleleni bo. Yeah, wena phela. Wena, watch out.
it's fine.
Kulabanye that just change who they are. It's not a bad thing. It's fine.
It's a bad thing.
But Imagwe Wutubusu City, yeah, I met you that day at Cotton and you didn't greet me. I didn't see you. You didn't look like that.
Ongena airbrush
One,
poza.
you're high.
nimzwanga.
Two, you don't look like anything that you portray. So
Omunye, you're reminding me of a reel I saw this other time on TikTok. Yeah, this time it was on TikTok. I remember.
Kuzakuqasa utshayo manje don't keep me up. Kubikapula.
So, like, this lady was trying to be sarcastic. Yabona laba bakuthi babechai content bephomu kumisa abantu beba interview nje. But okay, bamiso mimjita. But okay, can we ask a question? Who do you think is more beautiful, women or men? What in men? Why do you say men are beautiful than women? Obviously, I'll show you. Wabe thatha isigubhu samanzi wageza iface. Wathi eqeda ugeza iface wathi you try it.
That's a tough one.
That's a tough one. Kodwa nang
Phela kuthiwa lokho kwenzakala eFolosi. First date sisiyemo siyatunya laba.
ha awumphindele futhi utheni?
First date, you must go swimming.
I also have a prediction. I predict ukuthi where we're going with technology, once we get to a point where when smartphones came out, not everyone had smartphones. So especially like with these AI classes, these meta classes, we're going to get to a point where everyone is going to have them and you're going to have the option of having a filter that you can pay for that's on everyone's glasses when they look at you.
Yeah.
Yazi indlela ocabanga ngayo.
Ngiyakutshela. That's what
Wena
I'm going.
kulento ekhuluma but angisoze ngoba uzabe
Sabe sikhipha amanglazi ngasithana
Hey,
la.
awusithi so.
Uza ngayo so.
Uzu-
Aren't you our own teammates? Are
wena
you
kulezinye
mates?
izinto ezikhuluma
Uthi kulani?
kulezinye izinto ezikhuluma yani. I'm not saying you're a prophet, but there are some things you say and then when they eventually happen, ngicela ube careful ngoba uzagcina uyi-suspect. When something happen.
I'm happy that
What did you say on Monday?
mina
Ukabe lento ekhuluma ngeMonday ngeTuesday kwenzakala something.
but lazy tricky le.
Akuyenzi.
Na but nxa ufuna umuntu ozakufakazela ukuthi mina ngani ngili prophet wobuza umgcini. Umgcini yakutshela in the last 3 years there is
Wena
so many
files
things.
wena.
There is so many things I've said. Mgcini lokhu kuzayenzakala.
Ndoda ngavuzwa i-message ngo-5 ekuseni.
I actually sent both of you the same message.
Ngitheni ngomlilo?
Wena nti ngathi ngikusendele message about what happened. Wabusithi
Ah,
ukabela
Dala
uthini?
ngitshelile.
That's fucked up. Was it on Monday or was it on Tuesday when I was talking about it?
You talked about it on Monday.
On
then
Monday, it happened on Tuesday.
I was just sitting and then I said, I just went on a rant about umlilo. Actually, maybe you are right. These things will make me a suspect sometimes.
Yeah.
Akusitshele kume njani
Emlilweni.
urenta imenu
Ubonani
kancane
la?
yabo. Usitshayele imenu.
Wena mele sihambe la eCruise sithi ubonani la?
Kuthiwani?
Ubonani la?
Uliroy uzodlala
Amboni
isatelitho
lutho.
empovo vele ehlale phansi.
Kumnyama.
Yini sithiye yini
Liseli
okudj
USB kwamele.
Kube ngudj.
Sesithi anoyeke.
Aqhubekani akade sithi safe.
Uzwile kuthiwa siqhubeke
Ah,
ngudj
lisasafe,
sisasafe.
Ngizalitshela masokubonakala.
Right, on another issue before we close. How many of you watched the Real Madrid and Benfica game?
Probably me,
I didn't get the chance.
because I am an avid gambler. I like
I'm sure abangayibukelanga they actually saw amalokuzeni. Ama clips and comments from people which there was
there was a racism. We experienced a racism.
yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, Vinicius was racially abused by a Benfica player after he scored a beautiful goal.
A beautiful call.
So I jealousy yankhona yena lana ye enze wambiza monkey 5 times.
Don't be the monkey 5 times. Lo Kylian Mbappe uthe he heard it. And then he was supported like what Chow Mein or what.
Abantu
the crazy-
abaningi bebesithi hey Kylian Mbappe was miles away kazwanga, but I saw enye i-angle epostwe nguFabrizio etshengisa ukuthi uKylian Mbappe was actually in the vicinity
It was really
ekhona
close.
because
It was,
like uqale wafreeze wamkhangela so.
But so. I saw someone also said, bro, you know, if you were to make a list, if you look at the world living in the last 2 years, with Vinicius Jr. and Mbappe are in it,
Yeah.
why would 2 of the highest rated players on the planet just make up a random lie about a 20-year-old from Benfica? In a match they were even winning. Even at Real Madrid, we win. Like there was no need
They
for
were
them.
dominating
They
the
were
whole
dominating.
game.
There was no need for them to say, oh, you know. Secondly, I genuinely believe that
They
boy
tried
said
to-
that shit.
to blame it on his celebration, but his celebration was nothing
It
close
was a
to
standard Brazilian
any
celebration. He was dancing. Try to provoke the fans.
try provoking the fans. But
See-
now he was dancing. He didn't do any. It wasn't even dirty dancing.
Why should he dance?
Yeah, ni samba yabo.
Hey, somebody,
Ah.
Tanzo nyana mtanzo.
We've seen worse celebrations, bro. ulokhu uzucelebrate so uGriezmann ucelebrate so. So dog.
Right. If Vinicius was given a yellow card for his celebration, why was Zulu Kuzin keeper Martinez or Aston Villa, their first choice keeper with Argentina, not given a card when he celebrated making a sexual gesture?
Whenever wins. Look at the celebration.
His celebration was not even
as provocative.
PG.
Ronaldo has had worse celebrations. Mourinho has had worse celebrations. Look at they're trying to find a way to justify what that boy said. His celebration was in no way provocative.
Alazalam tulis uchain. Alazalam tulis. Tulis.
Secondly, that boy is from Argentina. So that should in itself.
I know Tule.
Kathi yenti nilalela nje. Lapha ngizafaka umbono wena
phela. Inkabe njani ngabukela ibhola wena?
Ngiyibukela ibhola. Buza uTopi la.
Hayi mfana. Hayi
nje.
On.
Ndiyamthembeza uphike ebantwini.
Hayi it's fine.
Anyway, change phela se support team yenu.
Hey, alimqazelele izandla. Yes, no for sure. Thank you.
FYP yake nizayibona.
Vulani Twitter yakhe kathesi. Vulani Twitter yakhe kathesi.
Okwasayo kase sponsor ngejezi.
This is the best time to join anyway. The last 10 years have been shit. Have been trash. But you pulled up at the right time. Also, umfana nano ngabona when Vinicius goes to the referee. When that Vinicius runs to the referee, that boy is standing so far, and then he sees Vinicius talk to the referee and point. Like he knows what he said. He didn't even say, "Oh, what the fuck is that about? What did I say?" He knows what he fucking said. Secondly, we are back here for the 4th year in a row. Arsenal.
Katunga, unga.
What did do Arsenal?
Unga.
They're bottling it.
I'm not gonna lie, bro.
This
This was the first season where I was convinced they're not gonna bottle. To put it in terms.
Ngizwa mina.
To put it in terms. Ukigijima marathon 10 kilometers.
Hayi lapha
Lalela. Sesigijime 6 kilometers.
Number 1 usivulele 1 kilometer.
Lalela. This is your time to get educated. Arsenal ile 6 kilometers. Igijimisile. Even with
Asura.
Aswagala. Says 6 point what? Oh, the dollars kancane. And they're doing it for the 4th consecutive year. For the last 3 years, they've started the league with the best, teams. They look like they were going to win. But and then somewhere along the way, they just start fumbling. Mina, it's not even about the match against Wolves. It's about their body language. Even the way Osaka was speaking after that. Whereas Umto said defeated already. They know it's coming.
My problem is the beginning of the name. S.
Arsenal. No, but I can tell you're not used to a lot of football banter because it's a very common thing.
Dude, I'm not going to lie and say I sit in front of the screen and watch. I just used to check the scoreline.
Do you know they've got more goals scored from own goals than strikers?
Yeah, they're top goal scorers on goals. PF these days,
they have T-shirts written that.
So man,
I want a T-shirt.
So what you're telling me, Caprice, is that they have more goals with friendly fire than.
Yeah, they force the other teams to make so many mistakes.
Aye.
Yeah, that's their top goal scorer.
Anyway,
njengoba imoto abazakunika yona ngicela siyigade sonke indoda.
Futhi kuphumile izimoto kuphuma ama GT6. Batholile omadinda. Kuphumela ama 10,000. But maybe mina I'm a different guy. Ama 10,000 lana uthenga ngayo pocket money. Nah, I don't know how I feel about unika abantu abadala imali bachetu baniki pocket money. Ngokuthi ngiyama expenses dog. Ngokuthi ngiyama subsidy.
Yeah, fuel, upkeep yemoto.
What miscellaneous? What pocket money?
Before Valeli Sabantu Cape Breezes fela ku Valentine, guys, in shortly receive it. Receive.
Kaloku kabani lokho? Ungahantu lo muntu receive la.
Ayilena ngani
ngokandithe. Wamthengela amathawulo.
Lena ngandithe.
Okanye ngawa ku DJ la.
I shall not speak. I will not witness. Views, comments. That's it. Views and comments.
Ngida matawula ngaku DJ lapha kumina. Ngawe ibhakede.
Avakutshani?
Kuthiwa amatholo la ngoku-DJ yini?
Oh no. Angazi vele lihlekani ngoba lonke.
Awuzonke ukuthi ungibeka ngabhakede.
Lihlekani mana. Lihlekani.
Hayi mina benhle indaba yoku-DJ.
Phela lonke lapha lithola.
Ungena estage uyabule thawulo.
Alitholanga Valentine's present lonke la.
Hayi mina ngitholile ukuthi I don't break.
Mina lama break.
Yina lifuna ukungiloya.
This wine.
Sifuna lapho ngiphi
Lifuna
wait.
No, amatawulo. It was a gift from my mom.
Oh, that's nice.
It was a Valentine.
Khathi nabazali bena baliniki.
I'm the other way around. Nomazala wami ngimthengele.
Bambile. But bazondela ukuthi mina ngibapha.
First of all, fuck you, man.
Mina bazondela ukuthi ngibapha.
I mean, honestly, right? What told her something? Bro, I make sure I know ngisho masala.
Wa sikhuluma ngawe
wena.
Wena.
No.
Wena wathola yini?
Mina.
Hayi.
No, presence. No, I was in
ini.
Awutholanga.
Presence of my
Kanti manje ugele njengo benediction for
mana.
Bro, no man. Bro, kada uzanto osenzakalani ngale.
You benediction.
Ugele njengo Castle Sina
mana miyekela play. You were in presence what? Unafana phela bengilawe wena that day.
Exactly, family. That was a present to me. Ngaze spend the Valentine's in labantu. Ngitsha uba yi1.
No.
That's nice.
You must always give your parents presents. It really
What were you guys up to like Valentine's like Valentine's Day? What was going on?
Mina.
When usibuza wena phela sasikapha wena ngeValentine's.
Man, shut the fuck up, man. Namanga mina.
Unamanga.
Hey, you just said it. Ngubula manga.
Oh, bemfuna ukuthi kwathi isikhala abazali ba difficult to gift. Like for example my parents or my mom, she's very difficult to give because she doesn't like a lot of.
But your email uyayithanda?
Yeah, it's true. Oh, my mom, you have to buy really practical things. Like really practical things. Like she would daughter. Yeah, practical.
Ikuba.
Mazamfuni charger sancele lecansi. Like really and ngikhuluma ngathesi ngoba I meant like the actual thing.
The actual but
icansi.
Ngoba ngize ngithi lo ngithe I. Well, I guess this has been another great episode.
Before I forget, Izim ngale cricket. It's really
shout out to Zim.
Shout out to Zim. Namhla phela iwinile futhi ubonile.
Patula njani ibhola namhla mfana?
Ama pingelingeling. Hey.
When Sri Lanka was home.
So now 5 we cricket nakodwa rekwazi ukuthi Real Madrid leBenfica idlale njani.
Hayi ndoda that day ngangingekho endlini.
Sokuba ufagothi lapha ku podcast.
Ngangingekho ndoda. Ngangingekho. Phela khumbula me DJ. My life kathesi is mostly this, that and this.
Thanks to NTS Academy.
Shout out
to NTS Academy.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Where are we shooting from?
Ngiyabonga man.
Today I actually bumped into a guy Elokuzenini. Not Hull State, Electro Sales. One of the guys, he said he's a big fan of the podcast. And I was like, man, maybe we're not saying it enough. Because I felt like that's one thing we've been saying it a bunch. See shooter e Kotoni, my gents. We are coming to you live from.
We're coming, yeah. To you live.
A King's Crow. A Cotton by Zonki Zizwe shopping complex.
Pretty sure was this guy kule bhakane lelani le Cotton la.
Yeah, sila silifaka la.
Guys, come on. Lila, somewhere la. By the
corner.
Then liyachintsha usikhathi kube lele podcast la umbeli benga kumbe la.
Chomle yamukela i-podcast le.
Njengoba ngihlala ngilapha.
Namhla linga.
Namhla. Selifaka la. Kumbe silifake la.
Well, once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. It's been a pleasure. Slama shout out. This is Fungenzi happy to shout out.
Yeah.
Don't call him a shout out.
Shout out to Jane who just left here. Shout out to Mongi, happy birthday. Yeah, no musi cake.
Happy birthday, Mongewa.
Easy. Hey, yo. Yeah, I walked into that one.
Yeah,
I walked into that one. Actually, I ran. Yeah, shout out to my mom, shout out to my dad. And sadly, I just remembered Namhlanje is the day that I lost my stepdad. Shout out to him. He's always believed in things that I do, no matter in school or out of school. I know you're watching out there.
Shout out.
Yeah.
Shout out.
Nah, that's nice. I think we can end on that.
Yeah.
Because akulo kunye sokudlula ngapha.
Ngoba hayi. Asibambe njalo bafo.
Asibambe igoqeke.
Yiyo lana ethi pupupupu.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away.